I'm going to show you how you can set up buttons or game passes on Please Donate. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So basically, by creating game passes, this will create buttons for your stand on Please Donate. As you can see, I currently have 2 buttons, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. These buttons will allow people to donate you on Please Donate, so you can earn Robux completely for free. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is close the game and go to the Roblox website. Once you are here, you need to click the create button right here, and this will bring you to this website. If it doesn't, then go to this URL create.roblox.com, and now we are gonna go to creations right here at the left, and you will see you have a place by default. So click right there. It will appear as your username, so click on that place, and then at the left menu right here we are going to scroll down until we see monetization. So click on monetization and then go to passes. Basically, passes or game passes are the buttons that will appear on your stand. So we are gonna create a new pass, and we can set an image if we want to, but this is optional. And then a name, so for example, donate Robux, and then we can set a description if we want to. This is optional as well, so the only required field is the name. Then we are gonna create this pass, and now as you can see we have this new pass, but this is off sale, so this means that people can't buy it or donate right now. So to set a price, we need to click on the pass again, then go to sales, and right here you will see this option to put the item for sale. So click right there, and now we need to set a price in Robux for this button. So for example, let's say 10 Robux. Okay, so now people can donate 10 Robux by clicking this button or Game Pass, and you will get 7 because Robux will always keep a small percentage. So if you agree, if this is the price you want to set, click on Save Changes. You can also edit this or change the price whenever you want. And now we're gonna go to Please Donate and see if it worked. Now I'm here back at Please Donate, and if I go to an empty stand and press E to claim it, as you can see now I have 3 buttons, and this is the one I just created, which says Donate Robux, and people can go to your stand, click there, and donate Robux. In my case, I obviously can't because I can't donate to myself. But that's it. That's the process you need to follow if you want to create buttons or game passes for your stand on Please Donate. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.